Hi, this is Randy. I have an '08 Ford F-150 XL. Great little truck. Low miles too. It's only got like 18,000 miles on it. Let's check it out. Now this is a nice looking F-150. Has the tan interior. Take a walk around the outside here. Also has a Reese hitch. It is an automatic. Cruise control. Still includes brand new bumper to bumper warranty. Got a lot of protection there. Nice looking truck. Just about from every angle. Alright, let's get inside. Nice looking interior. Like I said, it's the tan color. Has the easy clean floors. There's a door right back there. I don't know if you can see that or not. So you can make use of the rear storage area a lot easier with that door there. Let's get inside and start it up. Radio. Got a good radio too. 18,026 miles. I don't know if that shows up with the glare here. Nice bright day here in Florida. Nice looking instrument cluster. Cruise control in the steering wheel. Stereo system, climate control. Nice truck. Okay, this is really a new truck, folks, and looks like it too. Very, very clean. That's what you get. If you're looking for a great little F-150, this is it. Give me a call toll free, 866-371-2255. Or you can always call my cell phone direct at area code 352-682-8667. This is Randy. Thanks for watching.